Yun bang current market value ng bahay nila is same ba yan sa city's assessment? Kasi diba every year may pinapadala yung city na presyo ng bahay natin. Yun ba totoo or iba doon sa current market value ng bahay natin?
Most of the time, hindi parehas. Normally, kinukuha yan June of last year and ilalabas nila ng January. As a realtor, ang ginagamit namin is yung comparative market analysis for the past 100 days. For example, sa area ng lugar ninyo, i-check namin yung comparative market analysis, yung kamukha ng property mo na nabenta recently, and magpa-add and minus tayo. Ko-compare natin. And I have a great example. I have a client na assessment niya is 475 and nag-decide siya na ibenta ng 500. Mas mataas pa sa assessed value. Pero yung ginawa ko yung comparative market analysis, 450 lang yung bahay. So meaning, binibenta namin ng 50,000 over asking price.
Yes.
Umabot ng 6 months yung property. Hindi na ibenta ng 500. Naibenta namin ng 400. So below pa siya doon sa ginawa kong assessment. Kasi nga, lumipas na yung 6 months. So nagbago na naman yung market. We do it for the past 100 days. So I would say hindi talaga yun yung market value, but sometimes it could be the same, plus and minus lang, but mas maganda talagang tumawag kayo ng realtor and paggawa kayo ng comparative market analysis.
So, pwedeng yung assess nyo na current value ng bahay, so ngayon, then after 100 days, iba na siya.
Correct. Pwedeng mabago.
Okay. Pwedeng mabago, depende sa dalawang market.
Yes.
Okay.